Councilman and Deputy Supervisor of the Town of Babylon. I welcome you here today to beautiful Town Hall in Babylon, North Lindenhurst. Supervisor Schaefer could not be here today. Unfortunately, he had to do some business up in Albany, and he really regrets not being here for this kickoff, the kickoff for breast cancer awareness with our partners, Northwell Health. And of course, this is usually held in Islip, in the town of Islip, but the town of Islip is, the town hall is under construction, so we lucked out and we get to have this kickoff here at Town Hall. So thank you so much, Supervisor Angie Carpenter, for allowing us to do this kickoff here from Town Hall. So on behalf of my other colleagues, welcome. I am joined here today by a couple of our town government officials. We have our receiver of taxes, Jen Montiglio. I believe Councilman Dwayne Gregory and Councilman Terry McSweeney are on their way. And we also have with us, we have, of course, Supervisor Angie Carpenter, and from Northwell, we have Dr. Deb Salas. Yes, of course. How about a big hand for our lead out in the east, just east of us here. And we also have Northwell Health, Dr. Deb Salas Lopez. She's the Senior VP of Community and Population Health. Please give her a warm welcome. Now it's my privilege to introduce our great receiver of taxes. Our great town clerk. They're both great. I got to tell you, during COVID, these ladies did an amazing job at servicing our community. So they are both great. And they have their staff behind me, so I think I just got in trouble here. Anyway, it's my honor to introduce Jerry Campitello. She's our town clerk. She has done an amazing job. She has expanded her hours to serve the community. She even does house calls. And when there are events, Jerry's the first one to raise her hand to volunteer. So it is my privilege to introduce our town clerk, Jerry Campitello.
This is the third annual Pink by the Bay and our partnership with Northwell Health. The point of this whole campaign and event is to raise awareness of breast health in men and women during the month of October. As you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We hope to see that the color pink will serve as a reminder to each and every one of you just to get checked, get that mammogram, go to your doctor, go for a physical every year. It is very, very important, not just in the month of October, but year-round. And now I would like to introduce the Town of Islip Supervisor, Angie Carpenter.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jerry. And thank you to our distinguished guests from the Town of Babylon. I'm so sorry Supervisor Schaefer isn't here. I know that he does regret not being here, especially if he has to schlep up to Albany. That's never a pleasant task. This is our third annual partnership with Northwell's Pink by the Bay and with our friends and colleagues in the Town of Babylon in our joint effort to raise awareness of breast cancer early detection and prevention. So very important. You know, as you drive by or walk along Main Street from East Islip, Bayshore, and points west through the Town of Babylon, you'll notice the banners, the Pink by the Bay flags, ribbons, and lighted storefronts adorned in pink. You know, we in the Town of Islip have been committed to this initiative for many, many years, and we're so grateful to Northwell. Our town board has been so supportive. I know they were not able to be here today, but Councilwoman Mullen did send her rep. We're so grateful for that. But we're also hopeful that seeing the color pink will serve as a visual reminder to the women and men in the community to have their annual mammograms. Early detection is the best prevention. And I'm proud to say in the Town of Islip, we have 3 breast cancer coalitions that work tirelessly providing financial and emotional support services to those who are in treatment for breast cancer and other women's cancers. They are the Islip Breast Cancer Coalition, and I know that its director, Gina Cacaperto, is here with us today. Also, the West Islip Breast Cancer Coalition and the Brentwood Bayshore Breast Cancer Coalition. And I'd like to just take a moment to pay tribute to the memory of Elsa Ford, who passed recently. She, in 1994, really so ahead of the curve, founded the Brentwood Bayshore Breast Cancer Coalition. And the coalition was formed in response to a PTA environment issue, and its focus being breast cancer research and education. So she lost her mom at the age of 5 due to leukemia, which prompted her to help find a cure. We are so grateful to the over 250 businesses and households between Babylon and Islip towns who have signed up to participate this year. And again, thank you to Northwell for creating that environment so that we can move forward with education. Again, so very important. So I want to thank Deputy Supervisor Martinez and everyone here in the town of Babylon for being so willing to jump in at the last moment and host this year's kickoff. And without further ado, I have the honor of introducing Dr. Deb Salas-Lopez, who is the Senior VP of Community and Population Health at Northwell, who's going to deliver a few remarks. Doctor?
The town of Babylon, Islip, and all of those represented here. I'm Deb Salas-Lopez, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Community and Population Health, representing Northwell Health. I'm here with a big team of people from Northwell Health. Say hello. Yay. They work so hard alongside of these wonderful people in the town. Pink by the Bay is actually one of our most exciting events because it brings to light and it reminds women to get their annual mammogram. It saves lives. In Long Island alone, over 2,600 women are affected by breast cancer every year. 17% of them between the towns of Babylon and Islip. And so we know that it's a very real reality and stark reality that breast cancer affects our women right here. And so for us, it's about bringing awareness. It's about us gathering and getting together. It's about Northwell Health having the Imber Cancer Center right here in Bayshore available to our community members, to our women, to our men, to get cancer screening. Prevention saves lives. And so we're really proud on behalf of Northwell Health, Michael Dowling, our CEO, our leadership. I'm here with Eddie Frazier, our Vice President of Community Relations, who loves this event and really spearheaded for 3 years in a row. When you see pink, you think of this. And so thank you to all of the representatives here from all the towns, our councilmen, our town supervisor, our town clerk, and others who collaborate with us and partner with us in bringing awareness on breast cancer and breast cancer screening. Have a wonderful day.
Also, our Town of Babylon Breast Cancer Coalition as well is represented here. So again, on behalf of Supervisor Rich Schaefer, the entire town board, we want to thank Supervisor Carpenter for bringing this here, and we will continue to partner to bring awareness to everybody about breast cancer. In fact, you know, we're going to follow the White House cue. They lit up all of the White House pink last night. We don't have that capability, but our cupola will be turned on pink for the month of October. So thank you for having us.